Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about fenders, especially for your Malibus, elcaminos, lemans, and bonnevilles, because those are the four that kind of use the same kind of body parts. And we're going to talk about the comparison of the Chevy based fenders for the Malibu or El Camino and the Pontiac fenders for like the Le Mans and Bonnevilles. So then if you buy them local or buy them from a shop or buy them used, you don't get confused or you don't buy the wrong thing based on what you're needing for your project. So let's get at it. Okay, so what we're using as the Malibu or El Camino fender as the reference is this 82 to 88 fender. Now obviously this is the 82 and up because it has the side marker on the fender versus where would be roughly here on the header panel if it was a 78 to 81. Now obviously because this is a Chevy based fender, you see the arc, that's going to tell you that it's Chevy or El Camino. And then obviously it's straight down at the bottom. Now obviously for Pontiac or Chevy, the arc for the back of the door, where the door and the fender meet, are all the same no matter what, between the Le Mans, Bonneville, El Camino, or Malibu. So that will interchange no matter what. And then same thing with the door. The doors are all the same between the four, but the fenders aren't. And so that shows you the Chevy version. Now let's go to the Pontiac one and I'll show you the comparison.
A few minutes later.
And then we have here is a Bonneville / Le Mans fender. Now obviously if you look close enough, the top of is squared off right here versus the El Camino and Malibu kind of tapered at a slant and then came down. But if you look at the back side, the same arc that the Malibu fender had, which is why these fenders interchange. So if you want to put a Malibu or El Camino front end on a Pontiac, you can, or if you want to put a Pontiac front end on a Malibu or El Camino, you can. All you have to do is swap the fenders and header panel due to they interchange so well. But this is your comparison. Remember, straight is Pontiac, and then tapered is Chevy, like El Camino or Malibu. So just something to give you some insight, just a quick kind of reminder, and we'll finish off the videos now. So I figured that would be a helpful just tip when you're hunting down for some used fenders for either a project you're working on because your fenders are rusty, or your project was missing fenders, or just you wrecked your car and you need to replace your front end. Just something I was giving you some help due to there's a lot of fenders that people forget what they're from over the years, and so this is kind of a helpful point so you don't get the wrong fender and have to buy twice. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, share it out to somebody else that you might know that needs some guidance also, and like the video if this was valuable for you, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.